YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. It's Friday, man. Y'all know how we do it over here. First Impression Friday. Every Friday we bring you a new package, and today I got two new fragrances from the house of Lattafa that we're going to be talking about. The two fragrances that we're going to be going over is going to be Ramz Gold as well as Ramz Silver from the house of Lattafa. So we're going to check both of these out and see if they really worth picking up or not. I think we'll start off with Ramz Silver first. Now y'all see the box on these. I ain't really going to do too much detail, man. Look, you got a fingerprint. You got some silver stuff. Got letters at the top. But other than that, man, this really ain't a presentation that we just go nuts over as far as the box goes.
Trash.
But I don't know, I kind of do like this bottle, man. Not a bad looking bottle. You got a few words on it. I mean, you can read it. Cool, love, hot, together, touch, all that stuff. Let's go ahead and see what this fragrance is hitting on. Every time, fam, I'm telling, every time, spray it up. I kind of like this. It's coming off. This one smells hella familiar, fam. Let me grab a strip real quick because this one smells too familiar. I'm gonna hit the strip real quick before I actually say what I think it is. But let's get a nice whiff real quick. Slightly synthetic, fruity. I can't tell if that's like a pear. No, it's definitely coming off creamy as well. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is giving me huge JPG Ultra Male as well as Afternoon 9 PM vibes. Like it's along that realm of things. Now this one does have one fruit note particular that's in the backdrop of it as far as the opening goes. That's a little different. It's giving me a sweetness. I'm getting some fruits, getting a little bit. I'm telling you, man, there has to be a pear note in there. And the more that it's sitting on the strip, the more I'm starting to be able to pick up a little bit of lavender. And I don't know, I think it's some mint in here, but that mint is so faint that if it is, it's not. Like I'm really reaching to get to that mint note. But I can tell you initially up top, you're gonna get a lot of pear, you're gonna get a lot of lavender. This is gonna come off just like Afternoon 9 PM. Let that one marinate for a little bit, and we're gonna check out Ramz Gold and see what this one hitting on. Now the box for this one is still the same, so I'm not about to give y'all no full detailed tour of the box as far as the gold is considered. Same setup, so y'all know where this one going.
Trash.
But the bottle on gold is nice. Now this one is more like burgundy, I guess brown in a way, with a little bit of gold on the cap. Now I can rock with this one heavy. Now let's hit this fragrances. Let's see what it's smelling like. Same thing. Spray it up. There we go. I don't know about Ramz Gold. I don't know about this one. I'm gonna hit a strip first. Let me spray and test the strip first, and then we gonna bet. Them sprays right there let me know a lot. They let me know a lot, fam. Oh, hey, we gonna check it out real quick. Now in the opening of this one is gonna be fruity as well. One of the first notes that I'm able to tell off rip is an apple note. You can pick that up initially as soon as you smell it. You will get that apple as well as the pear note. Now I'm surprised that this one got pear in it as well, because I don't know what this fragrance is even cloned and nothing like that. You get a little bit of a citrus, like a bergamot citrus feel, but it's not much. It's not a main player. The main player in the opening is more so going to be that pear mixed with the apple note. And Ramz Gold is surprisingly coming out more synthetic than what I was getting from Ramz Silver. Ramz Silver, it had a slight syntheticness within the first couple of seconds, but that faded away quite quickly. Whereas with Ramz Gold, it's still sitting there somewhat. Not as deep, but it's the synthetic feel is still sitting there in this one. Almost smells like it has a little bit of an earthiness to it, like a patchouli, woody type of earthiness. But outside of that, fam, the main two things that I'm really getting is apple and pear. Now, is this a nice fragrance? It is nice, but I would say that Ramz Silver, in the first impression, that one is more of the fragrance that I see more people would enjoy. It's kind of reminding me of Amber Oud Gold Edition, or Anna Abadaya I Am White, the original. It's kind of reminding me of those two in a way. Yeah, I'm gonna say very similar opening to those two. Now we're gonna see how it goes as it transitions, because right now that's really all I'm picking up, with a little bit of an earthiness undertone. So this could move into a little bit more of a masculine dry down. So we'll let this one sit down for a second as well, and we'll go back and check out Ramz Silver. Bruh. Hey man, Ramz Silver is doing something. Ramz Silver is definitely doing something. A little bit more of the creaminess has definitely come out. This is reminding me of the bitter almond that you get in JPG Ultra Malt. I don't think that it has an almond note, but it's giving me that same feel. And I like that. I like the way that the bitter almond comes off in JPG Ultra Malt. And that pear note is still there. Now, I will say it seems like it's coming a little bit more freshness out of this one as it's working its way through. It definitely smells like the freshness in this fragrance is starting to showcase itself a little bit more. Whereas initially I was really just getting fruits mixed with a little bit of a creamy feel. Yeah, bro. Hey, Ramz Silver is very nice, bro. I'm gonna rock this one, but Ramz Silver is nice, man. Let's go back to gold. But damn, silver might be the winner. So Ramz Gold is nice, and I truly think it would be better if it didn't have this one sharpness that it has in the background of it. I don't know exactly what that sharpness is. All I know is that whenever I smell it, the first thing that it reminds me of is like a nail polish sharpness that is given off. But outside of that, this is a very nice scent, very smooth scent. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say that I think that the Ramz Silver is gonna be the winner of the bunch with these two. But as far as if this one is a better JPG Ultra Malt fragrance, I'm gonna have a versus battle coming with this one as well as another one. And I'll really be able to let y'all know which one is the true best of the two, depending on for what you got going on. And then with Ramz Gold, I'm just gonna study this one a little bit more and see how it moves as it transitions and the full experience that you get with this one. I'm gonna spend some time with this one and really dissect this one for y'all. That way y'all will know if this one's worth picking up or not. B.O.B. fragrance, both of these are, so we're really gonna be able to see if this one is B.O.B. worthy for my people who are picking these up. But that's gonna be the video right there, man. I'm not upset with either one of these. I'm just eager to see what Ramz Gold is gonna do. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all have either one of these and what do y'all think about them. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed. Destined for greatness. We out.